Good morning everybody. We are here today to show you the latest option we developed for our machines. Even if all our machines are really simple to set up, some customers have recently asked for the possibility of programming the machine through a QR code containing all the necessary informations to have the workflow more automatic without mistakes or misunderstandings. Here is the result. This is a test with one crease. Program is already on the machine. Now we pass to another job with 10 creasings and a batch of 5 sheets. Batch is finished. Now I'd like to show you what happens if the QR code contains a job with perforations, but the tool inside the machine is not the right tool. This is QR code with 2 perforations. The machine shows this pop-up informing the employees that he has to change the tool. The showed option is available for our range of machines currently in production, but it is also possible to get it for the machine provided with a touch panel already sold in the past. Don't hesitate to get in touch with us if you need additional information about this option. See you soon.